Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a Facebook ad on the Mojo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the templates button down below, which is the first option. Go to the choose a design section and slide to the right side of the screen until you find this Facebook ad button. Click on it, and here you can select from a bunch of options that you can choose from. These are organized into distinct categories, as you can see, but you can also start from the scratch. So if you click on it, you can create your ad by simply tapping on the picture, then click on your selected photo that you want to insert as an advertisement. Tap on the text to add the text box, and as you can see, you have many options here. You can either replace the pictures, select timing, fill it in, remove the background, and so on. If you tap on this brush icon, you can position it within the frame, select the timeline. If you add the music, background music to your ad, you can also select the color, format, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.